Hello everyone and welcome back to Can & Coffee. Here we have this beautiful expobar office leva 2 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of work, starting by removing and replacing the heating element of the machine, as this machine was not heating and it was just stuck in the 19 degrees on the PIV, and it never really got to heat at all. We also had to replace the water pump. As you can see, there's a lot of scale buildup on the tip of it, and that's because there was a lot of scale. Like you can see it on the heating element. This layer was just completely covering that boiler. We cleaned as much as we could. We gave this machine a tune-up. We removed as much scale as possible from both of the boilers, the brew boiler and the steam boiler, as this is a machine that has two boilers. We removed a lot of scale on the E61 group head. Yeah, we did scale this machine a lot, so it had a lot of scale build up. As I say, you can see it on the heating element, all this big layer of it. So the gasket of the machine was in rough condition, as this is a gasket, a regular one. You can see how it bends, and this is the machine gasket, and as you saw, it just breaks in little pieces. This shower screen, they need to be clean as well. So yeah, we just give it a good service on this espresso machine. Unfortunately, we do not have the portafilter. I tried to match this older gasket as best as I could by putting a spacer in there, and using another machine portafilter, you can see that it gets to 90 degrees. And as you can see, this one is a bondless portafilter. Flow coming out of the machine, excellent, looking great. Temperature on the machine, wonderful. You can see the steamer, very powerful, beautiful. And the hot water with excellent pressure. And there you have it, expobar working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Can & Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.